maging perfect. DJ, groom and bride entrance tayo. Now, one more time, let's get ready as we start the party and welcome our newlyweds. For the very first time, tatawagin natin silang husband and wife and the new Mr. and Mrs. Garcia. One more time, take two. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Jacob and Faye. Kakantahan ko to. Alam niyo, ni King siya ni Janine, hindi ako magaling kumanta. Baka magsiyalisa lahat ng tao dito. DJ Groom and Bride entrance. Ulitin natin, take 3. This time, i-welcome natin ang newlyweds sa ating function hall. And of course, bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan. For the third time, please welcome the new Mr. and Mrs. Garcia. We have Jacob